Boys girls, welcome to a really great song here on Going Guitar, cowboy song, Chris Stapleton, White Horse. Alright, so let's go into this cool song, and always great high quality here from Chris, and this is not an exception from that. White Horse, let's look into it with a capo on 4th fret. Absolute best scenario for us, 4 chords. That is what we're gonna handle here. So let's go through chords. We're gonna start with the bar chord. It's the F. Okay, so place index finger on this 1st fret. You push down all strings there. Then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. We have C next. That goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have G, 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And finally we have the A minor. Open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so let's start with that cool intro. We have that melody. Okay, you want to handle that. You're going to play on the open E string, then 3rd E, then 3 times on the open A, then 3rd E again, then back to open A, then 3rd A, open A, 3rd E, and open A. That's it. So slowly. Alright, so you have that cool intro. Now let's go into the verse play, the actual song. And for that, we need to learn the strumming pattern. So if you grab the first chord F, it's a bar chord. We have 2 parts strumming here. So the first part will be down, up, down, up. And the second part will be up, down, up. So together it's down, up, down, up, up, down, up. And a couple rounds. Alright, so let's go into the first verse. You're going to play F, 1 string around, C, 1 string around, G, 1 string around, and A minor, 1 string around. That is the first half. The second half is to play F1, C1, and G2. And all that considering one big corporation. You're going to play that for 2 rounds. I'm going to give you 1 round so you understand what's going on here. Let's go. F, C, G, F, C, and G2. And so on. 2 rounds of that. That's the verse play. Then we're going to head to the chorus at 1 minute and 15 seconds in. O, 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 O. You're going to start out with an A minor down or so. Or if you just want to have a big pause there, it's up to you. I think it goes on A minor. I'm pretty sure about that. And then comes the lyrics. If you want a cowboy on a white horse, and there you have the title. So what you're gonna do here is a little bit, you have to have some feeling for it. I'm gonna play it for you once and then explain how it's done. It goes like this. Alright, so there you have it. So what you're going to do here is to start with G. And yes, you have 1 full string around of that first. Down, up, down, up, up, down, up. Then you go to A minor and play just 1 down. And then you go to F and play just 1 down to start with. A short pause, and still on that F, you're going to play part 2. Up, down, up. That is the first half. So repeat. G, 1 full round, A minor, 1 down, and F, 1 down, a pause, and then you play part 2 on the F still, up, down, up. Let's do that together slowly. Goes like this. Then you follow the same pattern now, different chords. So you're going to play 1 full round on the C. Then you go to F and play 1 down. And then you go to G and play 1 down, a short pause, and then part 2, up, down, up. So C, F, G, like this. And that is all 1 round. So I'm going to take you through that from the beginning, 1 round slowly, and then 1 round in standard tempo. Goes like this, slowly. Okay, and after that, played 2 rounds, you're gonna stay on that G for another 3 full rounds, and that will end the course. Okay, so there you have it, and then comes the instrumental parts after this first course. We're gonna play the intro. That's cool. 4 rounds of that. Okay, so after that comes the second round, and that is pretty much exact repetition. So you're gonna play 2 rounds of that, F, C, G, A minor, F, C, G, and after that comes the second chorus, and you play in the exact same way, same amount of times as we just learned. Okay, and after that you're gonna go back and play that chorus, the third chorus, and that first part of the G, A minor, F, C, F, G. We normally play that for 2 rounds. Now you're gonna play for 4 rounds. And that G, you're gonna play it in the same way in this third chorus. And after that, you're gonna play it actually a 4th round, so 4th chorus, and that chorus you're gonna play in the exact same way as the first 2. So you play 2 rounds of that, G, A minor, F, C, F, G. Yeah, I understand what I'm meaning, and then that G. So the choruses will come right after each other there, and then finally you're gonna play that outro, and guess what, guys, you're gonna play the chorus play still there for 4 rounds, and that's G. And with that, we have the ending of Chris Stapleton's White Horse. Okay, if you watch the music video, it's very cool as well, fits the song perfectly. So a great song. Give it a shot. 4 chords only. Yes, you can do a lot with 4 chords. So thank you for watching, guys, and if you enjoyed the tutorial, then show me some love back, give me a like on the tutorial, and be back for next upload. Till then, play tuned.